Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily test and enroll contacts in HubSpot workflows. If you've ever wanted to automate your marketing, sales, or service tasks without worrying about errors, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, test, and activate workflows like a pro, so let's dive in. First, log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create an account. It's quick and free. Once you're in, head over to the automation section in your dashboard. This is where HubSpot lets you streamline your business processes. Next, click on Workflows. Workflows are the heart of HubSpot automation. They allow you to automatically send emails, update contact properties, score leads, and much more. Now click Create Workflow. Before you start adding steps, take a moment to plan what you want your workflow to achieve. Ask yourself, do I want to nurture leads, send follow-up emails, or update contact info? Planning ahead ensures your automation runs smoothly without unnecessary errors. Here's the key. Testing is essential. Even the most well-planned workflow can have hiccups if you skip this step. Testing helps you troubleshoot issues before going live. Ensure everything works as intended, so no emails are sent to the wrong contacts or triggers fail. Think of it as a safety net. Catching mistakes early saves you time and frustration later. Once your workflow is planned and tested, it's time to enroll contacts. HubSpot lets you manually add contacts or set triggers based on properties, behaviors, or interactions. This automation will now handle repetitive tasks for you, sending emails, updating records, and scoring leads without lifting a finger. By mastering this, you'll streamline processes, automate daily tasks, and boost your productivity in a big way. And that's it. You now know how to create, test, and enroll contacts in HubSpot workflows. Remember, automation isn't just about saving time, it's about running your business smarter. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover advanced workflow strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.